Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a couple of video clips to show you. Now, one I need just some clarification on, which is you're going to see about this drone catching a UFO flying into a cave or a mountain. And then there's a couple of photos that are floating around out there that I'm not 100% sure, but you guys may have had information on. So of course I always need you guys' help, and I think together we can get this disclosure out there, get more information, because there's actually a pretty good photo which you'll see right here, and I'll show it to you guys in just a minute. So the first one's going to be, of course, of this drone footage. Now, I know this is circulated around a lot, but I couldn't find the location. So if you guys know where this was taken and stuff, put that information down below in the description. It's going to help me to do a little bit more investigation on this. Now, this next one was taken in Mexico, and someone saw this craft, as you see at the very top, flying around, and it flies behind a mountain. So let me go ahead and let this play. Now, this clip was pretty interesting. I slowed it down just a little bit. Some people were stating that it was a drone. It's kind of flying a little bit faster than a drone would. And you guys see some of the characteristics as it kind of goes there, and then it shoots over to the far left of the screen, and then it darts off. So of course, as always, if you guys have heard any information about that, let me know. But the characteristics of this does fly like some of the craft that we've seen before. You see how it kind of shoots off and it has a streak to it. So always put down below if you heard anything about this or anything about this. Now, this clip here is pretty interesting, just to say that someone just randomly caught this, and you guys will see that it'll actually go towards the building, and then it'll kind of go back like it wanted to be caught on film. So not sure if that's really authentic, but I want to put this in this video to show this to you guys. See that right there where it kind of goes back. Now, for some of these photos that people have captured, this is going to be one of the photos here. Somebody was driving along, of course, don't know the exact location, so I know that's kind of frustrating to you guys as it is to me as well. But then they caught a photo of this craft here, and it was flying pretty low. And here's going to be another photo. Now, I kind of believe this one was maybe doctoring up or CGI or something like that. I think someone was trying to replicate some of the stuff with the Phoenix lights or something with this. But it clearly shows kind of a either 5 craft flying in triangle formation, or maybe 1 craft. But I think this one, we can kind of discard this one as not being legit. But if you guys heard anything, put down in the description below, and then we can do some more investigation on that. Now, this next photo, I should say, is going to be pretty interesting. I'll zoom in a little bit. You guys see here, I don't know what to make of this one. This one's got kind of a weird shape to it. When I zoom in a little bit more, you'll see just what I'm talking about. So I'm not sure what to make of this. We know these craft can actually distort and change shape as they're flying, but this was something I wanted to show to you guys all in case you heard something about it. Put some more information below in the description. Now, this last one I think is probably one of the best photos that I've seen in a while. This one was taken, someone saw these clouds in the sky and they took this photo. But when you zoom in, you guys can see that little craft there. When you zoom in, you start to see more of a shape of a UFO, or kind of what we think are a typical flying saucer there. This one may be more or less man-made, or it could be kind of a drone that we created. Maybe our ARV alien reproduction vehicle. You guys never heard about that. But when you zoom in, you'll see more of the characteristics of this, and this is what I'm talking about here. It's kind of hard to tell the size and shape of it because there's nothing to really compare it to except for the sky there in the background, but that could be taken at any point in time. But you do see kind of the sun reflecting off of the top of this, so this of course is metallic craft, but we don't see a distortion or anything around the craft either. So I'm not too sure of what to make about this, but I did want to at least show this to you guys and get some of your thoughts and stuff on this as well. And then this next one I'm going to show to you, someone caught the underside of a craft in a photo. So here's the photo here, and I'll zoom in a little bit more to show this to you guys. This could be a number of things. It could be a couple of craft clustered together in one flying in formation, and when it zooms in, you'll see just what I'm talking about. Or it could just be one craft, just period, just flying wrong. But you guys see right here, it seems to be more of just one craft with about 8 lights, 4 lights on each side, and then 1 in front. So this could be a number of things if this is actually a legit UFO, but it's so strange that we see so many different objects and stuff of these. And this kind of reminds me of that Homestead UFO that person caught. He caught 2 or 3 photos of it. So it does look a little bit to that. Maybe this is the underside of it, but this is the closest I could see to seeing a craft that kind of resembled the one in this main picture. So not sure about that, but as time progresses on, it seems like this stuff is getting a little bit more stranger with these shapes and designs of them. But you guys, I wanted to at least show this to you. Let me know your thoughts and comments on any of these, and if you know of any information on them. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Let me know if you guys have seen any of these before, and then you guys stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.